a very warm welcome. I am Ruchi Sharma. President Donald Trump's commitment to slapping tariffs on all steel and aluminum imports sent shockwaves through the markets, triggering a flight to safety. Commodity-linked currencies took a hit as risk assets faced broad-based selling pressure. The announcement of a 25% tariff on steel and aluminum, expected on Monday, exacerbated fragile sentiment ahead of Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell's testimony. Investors also braced for a potential sweeping retaliation strategy from the White House targeting global trade partners. Trump's statement that tariffs would apply to all imports without specifying a timeline only added to the uncertainty. Crypto markets mirrored the broader risk of move, with BTC sliding 2% and ETH shedding 1.8%. The total market cap dipped 1.5% to $3.21 trillion as risk-sensitive assets felt the heat from escalating trade tensions. Bitcoin remained resilient despite macroeconomic turbulence as inflows into BTC spot ETFs helped counterbalance mounting concerns over Fed policy and trade war jitters. The ongoing ETF inflow streak, now in its sixth consecutive week, signaled sustained institutional interest. Investor sentiment was rattled by a hawkish shift in Fed rate expectations, fueled by a robust labor market, steady wage growth, and firming inflation expectations. Hopes for a first half 2025 rate cut faded, pressuring risk assets. Meanwhile, geopolitical uncertainty spiked as the US imposed 10% tariffs on Chinese imports, prompting swift retaliatory measures. BTC retraced to a weekly low of $91,274 on February 4th amid the risk-off move. Despite these headwinds, ETF inflows provided a crucial support pillar. The US BTC spot ETF market registered $203.8 million in net inflows, marking a slowdown from the previous week's $559.5 million, but maintaining positive momentum. Institutional players remained engaged, signaling confidence in BTC's long-term trajectory despite short-term volatility. In other market news, the bullish demand for Bitcoin is being notably fueled by institutional adoption in Japan. A prime example is Meta Planet Incorporation, whose stock has surged more than 4,000% in the past year, marking the highest gain of any Japanese equity and placing it among the leaders globally. The company's strategic decision to accumulate Bitcoin has paid off substantially as Bitcoin hit a record high of $109,241 on January 20th, the day Trump was inaugurated for his second term. Despite recent volatility stemming from his trade policies, the cryptocurrency remains a focal point for both retail and institutional investors seeking hedges against global instability. Ethereum has also displayed resilience, with Ethereum accumulation addresses seeing their largest ever daily inflows. On Feb 7th, CryptoQuant data showed a record of 330,705 ETH worth roughly $883 million flowing into these addresses, marking a strong 20.55% year-to-date increase in Ethereum holdings. These addresses, which do not engage in outgoing transactions, are believed to be dominated by institutional investors and long-term holders who have growing confidence in Ethereum's price trajectory. Despite ETH's price declining by 20.75% so far this year, the increase in accumulation addresses signals a potential future rally for Ethereum, reminiscent of the 35% price surge following a similar spike last year. In a groundbreaking move for US institutions, the University of Austin announced the launch of a Bitcoin investment fund, part of the school's $200 million endowment. With over $5 million dedicated to Bitcoin, this marks a significant institutional vote of confidence in digital assets, joining the ranks of other US universities that have embraced crypto investments. Chief Investor Officer Shan Lai emphasized the importance of not missing out on the cryptocurrency's long-term potential. This move follows the previous announcement from Emory University, which disclosed a $15 million Bitcoin ETF purchase in October, highlighting the growing trend of educational institutions tapping into the crypto space. Elon Musk's Department of Government Efficiency continues to make waves, reporting saving of $36.7 billion in US taxpayer money. This figure represents only 1.8% of Musk's ambitious goal to reduce US government spending by $2 trillion as outlined during a January interview. The savings generated through efficiency initiatives have spurred further discussions within the crypto industry about the potential for blockchain technology to enhance government transparency. transparency. Brian Armstrong, co-founder of Coinbase, applauded the effort in a February 9th social media post advocating for more transparency in public finances. Additionally, Michael Saylor, co-founder of Strategy, hinted at a potential Bitcoin acquisition with his usual Sunday market post underscoring Strategy's commitment to its BTC treasury strategy. Hong Kong has officially accepted cryptocurrency as proof of assets for investment immigration. On Feb 7th, a client used Ethereum worth 30 million Hong Kong dollars, which is $3.8 million, to apply for residency under the Hong Kong Investment Promotion Agency's new capital investment entrance scheme. This marks the second successful case of crypto recognition for immigration purposes, following a similar approval in October 2024 when Bitcoin was used. The move reflects growing institutional acceptance of digital assets in formal investment processes, especially from mainland Chinese applicants seeking residency through investments. The Central African Republic has launched the Car Meme Coin, an experimental initiative designed to foster national unity and promote global recognition. Priced at around $0.45 and with a market cap of $374.4 million, CAR is listed on the Solana-based launchpad Pump.fun. CAR's president Faustin stated that the meme coin would showcase how a meme could support national development. Despite its meme status, the project has drawn attention for its potential to drive engagement and economic activity in emerging markets. That's all this bulletin for now. This is Miyuchi Sharma signing off. Do like, share and subscribe to 3.TV, and for more information stories log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.